Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with VChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing origami paper plane and plane launcher model. So without further delay, let's begin. So guys, for this paper aeroplane and aeroplane launcher, we'll need a square piece of paper and a rectangular piece of paper. So first let's make the aeroplane. It's very easy, we used to make it when we were kids. So first fold it along the horizontal axis, this. Fold this flap, form a triangle. Fold this flap on the either side. Now fold this, actually open this and then you can fold it. This way it is very easy. Fold it like this. Similarly we do it on this side. Now you just fold this tip behind, press it tightly and then fold this from the center. Now move one flap here. And another flap here. And this is your aeroplane, sleek and simple. Now the plane launcher, it's even more simple. So first fold it along the horizontal axis. This is a A4 sheet of paper. So hold it like this in a vertical frame. This is a rectangle, and fold it along the horizontal axis, and then now fold it like this. One on this side and one on this side. There's how it looks. Now we need a stapler, so let me get it. Back, need a rubber band and a stapler. So we'll just put the rubber band like this. Let's put it like this, and staple it so that it fixes it here. Staple it 2-3 times so that it stays intact like this. And now hold this rubber band in this fashion, pull it like this. This is a small band, so see, it's not even coming till here. So let me do one thing, let me cut this into half. Don't need this long, not even half actually, this much is enough, I believe. So we'll just tear this. So this much is enough. So pick the band and put it like this. This is how it looks. Now, put the plane in this region like this. Put the rubber band just above like this, and then you have these two flaps, one here and one here. So all you need to do is just like this, pull it, and it went away. So that's it for this video, the plane and the airplane launcher. Thanks for watching. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you loved it. It's very easy model, so go ahead and make one and enjoy flying with Origami paper plane. But before going, click on the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified first. Share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care guys.